निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हेत्वाभासः, हेतुआभास कितने हैं? How many are there? Five हेतुआभासas. What are they?
व्यभिचार, विरुद्ध, सत्प्रतिपक्ष, असिद्ध, बाधित।
सव्यभिचार, नेक्स्ट विरुद्ध, सत्प्रतिपक्ष, Tell me the five हेत्वाभासas.
Sorry, Swamiji, I'm not able to pronounce that also properly.
सव्यभिचार, विरुद्ध, विरुद्ध, सत्प्रतिपक्ष,
विरुद्ध,
सत्प्रतिपक्ष,
प्रतिपक्ष,
बाधित, असिद्ध,
sorry Swamiji, सप्रतिपक्ष,
not सत, सत,
and सत,
सत, सत, सत प्रतिपक्ष, not सप्रतिपक्ष, सत प्रतिपक्ष, then asiddha and badita, asiddha and badita. Okay, so everybody, at least you learn how to pronounce that. You have to write down. If you don't, even if you read in the book, you have to write down splitting, then you will know. So savyabhichara, viruddha, satpratipaksha, asiddha, baditaha. These are the good. These are the hetvabhasa. Savyabhichara is anekant. How many types of see, for savyabhichara, another name is anaikantika. This you should remember, because sometimes in the text they will just say anaikantiko hetuhu. So now you have to know what is anaikantika. How many are anaikantika?
3 types.
3 types. What are they?
Sadharana, asadharana, anupasamhari.
Sadharana, asadharana, anupasamhari. Okay. So what is sadharana anaikantika? What is the definition? Complete definition you give me. Paksha vrittitve sati sapaksha vritti. What is the meaning of that? That which is there in paksha, that which is also there in sapaksha, and it is there where there is no sadhya. Paksha vritti, sapaksha vritti. Anyway, it is not going to be there in vipaksha. Will it be there in vipaksha? It is not going to be there. What is not going to be there in vipaksha? Hetu we are talking. Hetu can be there. Sadhya, see what is vipaksha? Sadhya is not there. Vipaksha means sadhya abhava nishchaya is there. But hetu could be there. And that is what he was trying to say. That's there where sadhya abhav is there, but hetu is there. So what is what is that where sadhya abhav is there and hetu is also there? Whatever that is, if you say vipaksha, so then it ends up there. Okay, sadhya bhavat vritti sadharano anaikantika. What is the drishtanta? This, see, in each you have to remember drishtanta also. Parvato vanniman prameyatvat. This much you have to remember. In wherever in all these drishtanta also you will have to remember. Parvato vanniman prameyatvat. This is the drishtanta part. Drishtanta means anumana drishtanta. What is the example of the anumanam? Where prameyatva hetu is sadharana anaikantika. So Hrida also is without one knee but is prameya. Prameyatva is there. This we saw. Further now. This much is clear. Sarva sapaksha vipaksha vyavrittah pakshamatra vrittirasadaranah pakshamatra vrittirasadaranah. No, you should not split. पक्षमात्र वृत्तिरसाधारणः. So that which is sapaksha vyavritta, vipaksha vyavritta. That which is not there in sapaksha, that which is not there in vipaksha. Then where is it? In paksha. Paksha matra vritti, that is already given. That which is there only in paksha, not in sapaksha, not in vipaksha. That is called, what is it called?
Adharana hetu abhata.
No, asadharana anaikantika or asadharana savyabhichari hetu. Savyabhichari or savyabhichara, whatever that. Savyabhichara, savyabhichara. असाधारण सव्य विचार. यथा शब्दो नित्यः शब्दत्वादिति. दिस इज द दृष्टांत फॉर दिस. शब्दो नित्य शब्दत्वात्. शब्द इज नित्य. व्हाट इज साध्य?
Nitya is sadhya.
नित्यत्वात्.
नित्यत्वम. नित्यत्वम is sadhya. When it is given nitya means you have to understand nityatvam is sadhya. And what is paksha? Shabda. Paksha is shabda. And what is hetu?
Shabdatvat.
Shabdatvam. Shabdatvam is hetu. Shabdatva hetu and shabda paksha. So these can become a problem sometimes, where your paksha and hetu, they sound similar. But see, shabda is paksha. Hetu is not shabda. Hetu is shabdatva. So shabdatva hetu will be there in shabda. This is for sure. Where will shabdatva stay?
Shabda.
Shabdatva is there in Prithvi?
No. No. Akash.
Shabdatva is there in Akasha?
Yes. Yes.
Shabdatva will be there only in Shabda. Ghatatva is where?
In Ghata.
In Ghatathali.
In Pata. In Pata, Ghatatva is there. In Akasha, Shabdatva will not be there. Shabdatva is known through Akasha. Shabda is known, Shabdatva is known, and what else is known? Through Akasha. Shabda Abhava. Very good. Shabda Abhava is also known through Akasha. So three things. So like here you have to remember. Shabdatva is in Shabda. Paksha is, what is Paksha here? Shabda.
Jaha.
Shabda is Paksha. In Paksha, Shabdatva is there. What is wrong in this Anumanam? Shabdo Nityaha Shabdatvat.
Ketu should be there in Drishtanta also, but Shabdatva we will not get anywhere other than
Paksha. Correct. Shabdatva Hetu you will not find anywhere other than Paksha. Drishtanta also should have Hetu. You will not find any Drishtanta only. What is the Vyapti here?
Yatra yatra nityatvam tatra tatra shabdatvam.
अच्छा. यत्र यत्र शब्दत्वम तत्र तत्र नित्यत्वम. यत्र यत्र हेतु तत्र तत्र साध्यम और साध्य. So व्याप्ति is यत्र यत्र शब्दत्वम तत्र तत्र नित्यत्वम. शब्दत्व नित्यत्व व्याप्ति, where did you find? Somebody will ask. Shabdatva is not there anywhere other than Shabda. Shabda is Paksha. What is there in Paksha, you cannot use it as Drishtanta. So, that which does not have Sapaksha, you will not find Drishtanta. Okay. If it is there in Vipaksha, can it become Drishtanta? How? Maharaji says, समझो somebody gives the answer, yes. He says, मंत्र बोलने से हो जाएगा? Means you have to give explanation.
Like it can be Vyatireka.
So if it is in Sapaksha, it will become Anvai Drishtanta. Let us say you don't find it in Sapaksha. It can be there in Vipaksha where it will become Vyatireka Drishtanta. So here neither you have Anvai Drishtanta nor you have Vyatireka Drishtanta. That is the problem. That's why this Hetu is called Hetvabhasa, Asadharana Anaikantika. Further you read in the Ulam, Atra Shabdatvam Sarvebhyo Nityebhyo Anityebhyascha Vyavrittam Shabdamatra Vritti. Atra, in this case, Shabdatvam is Sarvebhyo Nityebhyo Anityebhyascha Vyavrittam. Shabdatvam is not present. Vyavrittam means eliminated from all Nitya Vastu also, all Anitya Vastu also. Nityebhya Vyavrittam, Anityebhya Vyavrittam. Because what is Nitya is your Sadhya. And what is Anitya is other than Sadhya, whether it is Sapaksha Vipaksha, it is Vyavrittam from both. So Sarva Sapaksha Vipaksha Vyavritta, it will become, it is there Shabda Matra Vritti. Shabda Matra Vritti. Shabda Matra Vritti Kim?
असाधारण अनेकांत
No, that is Paksha Matra Vritti. My question is, what is Shabda Matra Vritti? Correct. Shabdatvam is Shabda Matra Vritti. Now you see Padakritya. Who will read Padakritya? Read. Sarve ye.
पक्षमात्र इति
Correct. After that.
सर्वे ये सपक्षा विपक्षास्त्रेभ्यो व्यावृत्तं
Vyavartate.
सर्व
No, Vyavartata. Iti.
इति सर्वसपक्षा विपक्षाद्यवृत्ता इतः केवलान्वयी केवलान्वयी
No, केवल you
केवल
व्यतिरेकी रे. व्यतिरेकी.
व्यतिरेक वारणाय तद्भिन्नम् इत्यपि
देयम्. तद भिन्न इत्यपि देयम. सर्वे ये सपक्षा विपक्षा, all those which are sapaksha and vipaksha, tebhyo vyavartate, that which is withdrawn from all sapaksha, all vipaksha. Means that which is not there in sapaksha, that which is not there in vipaksha. Iti sapaksha vipaksha vyavritta or sarva sapaksha vipaksha vyavritta. Because that is the Moolam says Sarva Sapaksha Vipaksha Vyavritta. Keval Vyatireki Varanaya. Now, if you just say Sarva Sapaksha Vipaksha Vyavritta, that which is Kevala Vyatireki, will it be there in Sapaksha or not? Sarva Sapaksha Vipaksha. Keval Vyatireki. What is the Drishtanta for Keval Vyatireki? Give me the Drishtanta Anumanam.
यत्र साध्य अभावे साध्य अभाव तत्र साधना अभाव.
No, this is Vyapti. I want the whole Anumanam. केवल व्यतिरेकी. हाँ, पृथ्वी इतरेभ्यो विद्यते गंधवत्वात्. पृथ्वी इतरेभ्यो विद्यते गंधवत्वात्. दिस इज दी व्यतिरेकी दृष्टांत. केवल व्यतिरेकी. केवल व्यतिरेकी वारणाय. सो पृथ्वी इज पक्ष. करेक्ट. Where else do you find Gandha? Is it there anywhere else other than Prithvi, which is going to become your Drishtanta?
No.
Anybody? No. Correct? Sapaksha
Yes.
is there or not there? Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate. What is Sapaksha?
The Sapaksha is not there.
निश्चित साध्यवान.
No, don't give me definite. In this example, Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate, is there a Sapaksha?
सपुत्र.
No, it is not there. There is no Sapaksha. These things you will have to thoroughly study and understand. Otherwise, you will be You say Sapaksha is there. If I ask Sapaksha is there, yes, Sapaksha is there. Then I say, is it there? No, it is not there. This kind of Anumanam will not work. It is there one moment, next moment it is gone. You have to be thorough. निश्चित साधना should be there. है नहीं है स्वामी जी, why are you worried? Not that way. पृथ्वी इतरेभ्यो विद्यते. This अनुमानम है सपक्ष or not? No. This anumanam has vipaksha or not?
It has
There is vipaksha. Other than Prithvi, see, Prithvi doesn't have Gandha. Means everything else. That which is not there in Paksha, that which is not there in Sapaksha. Right? So this Anumanam Sarva Sapaksha Vipaksha Vyavritta. In Vipaksha, Gandha is not there. Correct? So Vipaksha Drashtanta is Vyatireki Drashtanta. In other words, in Vipaksha, Gandhavatvam is not there. What is the Hetu? Gandhavatva. Gandhavatva Hetu is not there in Sapaksha. Gandhavatva Hetu is not there in Vipaksha. Clear? Everybody, this much is clear or not? Gandhavatva Hetu is only in Prithvi. So Gandhavatva Hetu is not there in Sapaksha. Gandhavatva Hetu is not there in Vipaksha. Okay? So, where there is Vyatireki Anumanam, it is also Sarva Sapaksha Vipaksha Vyavritta. That's why you see in the Tika, Ativyapti will be there in Kevala Vyatireki. So, Kevala Vyatireki Varanaya means Kevala Vyatireki Anumane Ativyapti Varanaya Tad Bhinna Iti Api Deyam. You will have to say Kevala Vyatireki Bhinnatve Sati Sarva Sapaksha Vipaksha Vyavrittaha Paksha Matra Vrittira Sadharano Anaikantikaha. What will be the complete line? Kevala Vyatireki भिन्नत्वे सति सर्व सपक्ष विपक्ष व्यावृत्तः असाधारण अनैकांतिकः. Full thing. Is this clear? Somebody will say Vedanta is so simple. This is their Tattva Bodha. This is their first Grantha. But if you know this, then you can do Uha Poha. Now you know what is that Uha Poha Vichakshana in Viveka Chudamani. You should be able to do Tarka for and against any Paksha. Means you cannot say, I want to do Vada, and you just start saying something and arguing and start shouting loudly. That is not Vada. You want to say anything, you say, give your Paksha, give your Sadhya, give your Hetu, give Drashtanta. Just because somebody shouts more, therefore he is right. Just because there are a lot of people standing behind that person, therefore he is right. So that's why in Mandukya 2nd chapter, all this is there. Purva Pakshis, all questions, whatever objections Purva Pakshi has raised, they are Hetu Abhasa in Vaitathya Prakarana. Siddhanti refutes them. Anand Giriji has given all of them as Anumanam. And he says, this is Savyavichari Hetu or Anaikantikaha. this is viruddha, this is sat pratipaksha. You read now. So all of these, because remember, in Mandukya Upanishad, first chapter is Agama. After that, there is no Agama. It is Yukti only. Yukti means not Yukti the way I want to do. Yukti means you will have to use Nyaya Darshan. It is like if I say I am going to use Sanskrit language, you have to know Vyakarana. Like that, if you say I am going to do Yukti, means you have to do Anumanam as per Nyaya Darshana. If somebody says I am going to do Mimamsa of Veda, you have to do it how Purva Mimamsakas have done. These three are taken as fundamental by all darshanas. Nobody says Vyakarana means we will have different Vyakarana from Panini Maharshi. Why? Because we are Vedantin. You cannot say that. You have to use that Vyakarana only. You have to use that Nyaya which these people have used. But using these arguments, we have to show defect in their philosophy. Similarly, Mimamsa also, how Purva Mimamsakas have done their sutras, you have to use them as fundamentals. So you cannot deviate from these. This is why we say that shloka is famous shloka. Yairime Guru bhi Purvam. After that, पदवाक्य प्रमाणतः व्याख्याता सर्व वेदांताः तान् नित्यं प्रणतोस्म्यहम्. Whose shloka is this? भगवान शंकराचार्य जी श्लोका. शंकराचार्य जी तैत्तरीय उपनिषद भाष्य introduction. You see this shloka. In your Gita press book you will find. This is Bhagavan Bhashyakara is doing namaskar to all acharyas. Who are the acharyas? Those who have Guru Bihi Purvam Pada Vakya Pramanataha Vedantaha Vyakhyataha. Those who have done Vyakhyanam of Vedanta. Pada Shastra means Vyakarana Shastra. Vakya means Mimamsa. Pramana means Nyaya. Pada Vakya Pramanataha Vedantaha Vyakhyataha Tan Nityam Pranatosmi Aham. Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, I always and ever bow down to them. Means Vedanta Acharya for doing Vyakhya of Upanishad has to use Pada Vakya Pramana Shastra. Pada Shastra is Vyakarana. Vakya Shastra is Mimamsa. Pramana Shastra is Nyaya. I have explained this. This is a famous shloka. Means you cannot say I have studied Vedanta but I don't know this shloka. Swamiji, there are so many such shlokas. You always say this is famous, that is there. Okay. So kevala vyatireki varanaya tad bhinnam iti api deyam. Further. Anvaya vyatireka drashtanta rahito nupasamhari. अन्वय व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत रहितोनुपसंहारी. That hetu which is not having anvaya drashtanta and vyatireka drashtanta. Anvaya vyatireka drashtanta rahitaha is called anupasamhari. See the drishtanta first. Yatha sarvam nityam prameyatvaditi. Sarvam anityam. This is the anumanam. Sarvam anityam prameyatvat. Will you get anvaya drishtanta for this? What is vyapti here? Tell me.
प्रमेयत्वं तत्र तत्र अनित्यत्वं
यत्र यत्र प्रमेयत्वं तत्र तत्र अनित्यत्वम is the vyapti. Where did you get this vyapti? See, what is in paksha?
सर्वं
What is outside of sarvam?
nothing.
So everything is covered here. So there is no anvaya drishtanta, there is no vyatireka drishtanta. Okay. So you see in previous one also, you said sarva sapaksha vipaksha vyavrittaha. Sarva sapaksha vipaksha vyavritta in the previous one. Right? Means that which is not there in it, that which doesn't have any sapaksha, that which doesn't have any vipaksha. It is not in sapaksha, it is not in vipaksha. Means there is no nishchita sadhyavan, there is no nishchita sadhya abhavavan in the previous one. In this one, other than sarvam, there is nothing. Means whole brahmanda you have put in paksha. Whole brahmanda is in paksha, sarvam. Therefore, outside of paksha, you will not get anvaya or vyatireki drashtanta. Therefore, anvaya vyatireki drashtanta rahita is called anupasamhari. What is the question? You got the answer. Anvaya vyatireka drashtanta rahita.
But everything can be a drishtanta because everything is in sarvam.
No.
Then I got the answer.
So, in the anupasamhari and in asadharana anaikantika, the difference is that in anupasamhari there is nothing which is available for anvaya vyatireka drashtanta. In the previous one, how they have defined that there is no sapaksha, there is no vipaksha. Hetu is not available in sapaksha, hetu is not there in vipaksha. So some of these things are challenged in Khandana Khanda Khadya. That what is the point in saying sarva sapaksha vipaksha vyavritta here and anvaya vyatireka drashtanta rahita? It's the same thing like that. But here when we have to study as this darshan is right. You know, Vachaspati Mishra ji, he is called Tikakara. Vachaspati Mishra ji is called Tikakara. Anand Giri ji is Tikakara for Vedanta Darshan. Vachaspati Mishra ji has written Tika on all darshanas. Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Purvamimamsa, Uttarmimamsa. Uttarmimamsa means on Brahma Sutra he has written Tika like that. So he is called Tika. So when he writes Tika on one darshan, he, with this understanding, he will write that this is my darshan. And he will do all justice. So when he comes to next darshan, this is my darshan. So they are following that. So we also, when we are studying Nyaya, then first we should learn Nyaya darshan properly. Then when we are doing Khandanam of Nyaya, then we should do Khandanam properly. If you don't do Adhyaropa, there is no Apavada. When you have to do puja, you have to do puja thoroughly. Then you say, no pachara kathanchana. You don't say in Shodashopachara itself, no pachara, there is nothing to do. No, you do all upachara. Then you say, Nirvikalpa doesn't have any upachara. This is badhita. Atra sarvasyapi pakshत्वात् दृष्टान्तो नास्ति here everything is in paksha. Sarvasya api pakshatvad. There is no drishtanta. So drishtanta rahita is anupasamhari. Tika. अन्वयति
अन्वयति केवल अन्वयन्य अन्वयनि अभ्यति अन्वय
केवलान्वयिनी. No. If you want to
केवल
split,
अन्वयनि अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय
हाँ
अन्वयति.
हाँ वेट. केवलान्वयिनी अतिव्याप्तिवारणाय अन्वयति. So to avoid ativyapti in kevala anvayi, anvaya means if it was said vyatireka drishtanta rahito anupasamhari, there where vyatireka drishtanta is not there, that is called anupasamhari, then what would happen?
That be ativyapti in anvaya.
Lakshana would go in kevalanvayi. In kevalanvayi lakshana will go. So that's why anvaya shabda is added. Read further.
केवल व्यतिरेकेन अतिव्याप्तिवारणाय
केवल व्यतिरेकिणी.
व्यतिरेकिणी अतिव्याप्तिवारणाय व्यतिरेक इति.
If it was given अन्वय दृष्टांत रहितो अनुपसंहारी, if it was said अन्वय दृष्टांत रहितो अनुपसंहारी, then what would happen? अतिव्याप्ति would be in केवल व्यतिरेकी. So केवल व्यतिरेकिणी अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय व्यतिरेकी is also given. Not only अन्वय दृष्टांत रहितो अनुपसंहारी, अन्वय व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत रहितो अनुपसंहारी. Then further.
अत्रेति उपदर्शित अनुमान इत्यर्थः.
उपदर्शिता अनुमान इत्यर्थः. How will you do the sandhi vichcheda?
उपदर्शित अनुमान.
How will you do sandhi vichcheda?
उपदर्शित अनुमानः इति अर्थः.
Wrong.
उपदर्शित अनुमाने इति अर्थः.
उपदर्शिता अनुमाने इत्यर्थः. Why अनुमाने? Because atra shabda is there, that's why. Atra means in this upadarshita anumane sarvasyapi pakshatva. So we have completed first hetvabhasa. What is the name of first hetvabhasa? Savyabhicharaha or anaikantikah. It is of three types. Sadharana, asadharana, anupasamhari. Okay. Now of these three, tell me which ones will be there in sapaksha, paksha, vipaksha. Sadharana anaikantika. Is it there in paksha?
Yes.
Is there in vipaksha?
No.
Is there in sapaksha?
It is there in paksha and sapaksha, not in vipaksha.
Vipaksha we don't know. Then asadharana. Is there in sapaksha?
No. In vipaksha also it's not there.
Is there in sapaksha or not? Online students.
No, sir.
Is there in vipaksha?
No.
Is there in paksha? Yes. And anupasamhari? Is there in paksha? Sapaksha, Sapaksha it is there or not?
No,
No. Vipaksha?
not there.
No. So this is how you will have to makes your mind go here, there, everywhere. Every idea should become clear. Otherwise, I understood this, that it will not, when it is required, you will not remember. Even after this much study, it is difficult to recollect. When you just do very fast, you will not recollect.
Swamiji, in this way then, sapaksha, vipaksha,
हाँ,
both are the same.
दृष्टांत wise. So in अनेक अनुपसंहारी, it is दृष्टांत रहित. अन्वय दृष्टांत is not there, व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत is not there. Because there is no दृष्टांत. Here, because it is not having, it is not there in sapaksha, it is not there in vipaksha. Therefore, this is the problem. In this way, they have defined it. The definition is sapaksha, vipaksha, vyavritta here, and there अन्वय व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत रहित. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.